Hey peoples, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be making a wig for the very first time. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Okay, so the company that sent me the hair is Julia Hair. We're just gonna open her up. Whoops. This is what comes in it. It comes with a pair of lashes. Comes with a weaving cap. And it comes with the bundles. I have not opened this yet, so I'm gonna, oh, that's not even the way to open it. So this is gonna be like my first reaction because I have not opened this whatsoever. I've not touched the hair. So we're about to see. Okay, it comes in a net. So the hair feels very soft. It doesn't, it has like a slight smell, but I don't know if it's just like the smell of it being packaged. I don't know if that's gonna stay or not. So the details of this hair is that I have 3 bundles of 20 and a closure in 18. It is the Malaysian Curly hair. Closure is 18. We have a closure. I believe this is, oh, it's in a net. This is the closure. I'm gonna take it out of this hair net. It just looks like this. I believe this is a free part, but then again, I kind of think it's a side part. I don't really know. Oh, it's a free part because it like has sections. I did go to the hair store because I've never made a wig before, so I don't really have any of the supplies. I bought a make your own wig, easy and affordable way to make your own wig, like dome style cap. It looks like this. I got a deluxe wig cap. It comes with 2. It looks like that. I got like the bleach powder. I honestly don't know. Mousse for when I actually install the hair. I can like define the curls with this. I got a Eco Styler curl and wave gel just simply because I've never seen this one before. And it might work on the hair. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. Then I got some 40 developer. I think this is what you use. I really hope I don't jack up this hair. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I bought. I'm probably missing something. I'm most likely missing something. I do have like a wig head. It's literally right there if you can see it. I don't know what to name her yet, but we're BFFs and I love her. So I have the hair laid out on the table. I have the closure right here. So as you can see, compared to my hand, I should definitely bleach these knots because you can like see it. Okay, so I have aluminum foil, which a lot of people say use aluminum foil. I have gloves. I have the 40 developer and I have the bleaching powder. I don't have anything to mix it in. That's what I'm missing. I have a bowl. Mom, if you're watching this, yes, I am using your bowl to mix bleach in. Yes, I'm going to be throwing it away afterwards because I don't know what bleach does to it. I will buy you a new set of bowls. I just got back in my room. If the bleach came out right, I just went ahead and rinsed it out and I washed the rest of the bundles. So that's the closure. I think I did it right. I definitely have to go in with that like purple shampoo so that it's not so like brassy, but I feel like for a first try that definitely came out good, I guess. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by T-pinning this closure to the front of her head using these guidelines. Head and finish the wig, even though I didn't film it because the camera died. I was already like in the flow of it, so I didn't really want to stop and then start again. So here is the wig. I did go through and give it like finger coils and I let them dry, and that is what you're looking at right now. The front of it looks like this. I did like give it baby hair, but I have no idea. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and we're gonna see whether or not I did a good job or not.
Stop, turn off the lights, nauseous when I wake up.
Okay, so this is what it looks like when I just sit it on my head. I did go through and give it like finger coils yesterday. I like it. I really like it. It's like very thick. I did put like a lot more tracks underneath, like in this area versus on the top, just so that it could lay flat. I think it lays down pretty flat. I'm gonna go ahead and do like some baby hair or something like to the edges just so it can look I definitely feel like for this to be my first try that I definitely did somewhat of a good job. It's something that I did that I feel like really helped me that I really actually didn't mean to do was but for the back I was kind of getting a little carried away. I had doubled the wefts and started sewing it that way, and then when I finished the second bundle of doing them double, I realized I was running out of hair. So I went in and did them single, and I feel like that kind of helped it lay down flatter. So there's a tip. I just really want to thank Julia Hair for sending me this hair. I love it so much. It's very soft, and I did use gel in this hair and it doesn't even feel like it. It's nice and bouncy and cute and I love it. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. I'm so proud of myself. I did this. Like, I made this. I don't even know. But yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want any more videos done with this hair, then comment them down below. I'm really feeling like adding color to it, but I don't know for sure. Tell me what you guys want. Thank you, Julia Hair. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real.